Okay, folks, looks like we got a whiteout here. It is February 1st, and Chicago's going to get about 2 feet of snow in the next 24 hours. And they said it was going to hit at 3 o'clock, and it's a little bit past 3 o'clock, so weathermen are right this time. Surprise, surprise. But I'm up in the Fox Lake area heading home, about 5 minutes away, and we do have whiteout conditions. Going down Route 12 right now, and it's only supposed to get worse. We're going to get about 2 to 3 inches per hour. The accumulation, like I said, of about 2 feet within the next 24 hours. Well, I'm going to close her down so I can be a responsible, safe driver. Oh, it's coming. I'm going to get home and get my crock pot of chili going.